What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the cereal, sorry, not the cereal filler, just the filler for the cup. We got 707. I just turned 708. So we got Mika on top, Kyle on the bottom, and we're gonna go get a fresh list. Mika on top, Kyle on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we're going 3 times. 1. Did it go? I guess it didn't go. 1. Oh, no, that is 2. You can see on the bottom there it says 2. So Mika on top after 2. And guys, I guess I didn't specify this. Your first gets Detroit, second gets Kings, and third gets Minnesota. Sort of self-explanatory, but what the heck? Oh, I'm all out of whack right now. There's the list for 2 times. 709. 709. Third and final time. Top 3. Eddie. Detroit. Adam. You get LA. And Tom, you get Minnesota. Congratulations. There's a third. 709. 709. Guys, there you have it.